There is no doubt we are at an important point in our church's history.
The highest level has decided that there will be consequences for not submitting to the structural hierarchy of our church.
A decision made together as a family.
I don't know about you, but I didn't get to vote.
If I'm not included in the decision-making process, why am I expected to commit to the results of that process?
Young people, supposedly, are a priority of the church. But are we?
We are the next generation of leaders. But are you listening?
We know our church, the church we love, can do better.
People don't determine who is called to ministry. God determines who is called to ministry.
We are tired of our church teaching that one gender is superior to the other.
Or even worse, that God thinks one gender is superior to the other.
The church is made up of human beings, not committees.
We don't want to spend years and years repairing the damage when it's finally our turn.
As a denomination, a church, a community, we've missed the point.
Jesus is the point. Love is the point. That's what it all boils down to, right?
This is not love.
My God is love.
God loves all people, especially the ones that our church often pushes away.
My God loves all people regardless of their age, race, sexual orientation, gender identity, or denomination.
My God will leave the 99 to go search for the one who has been voted out.
Because my God is bigger than a vote, a document, or a video.
Because my God is bigger than the General Conference in session.
Because my God is love.
We want to support the church, but how do you expect us, me, to do that right now?
This isn't unity. This is conformity.